New Zealand has a productivity challenge. We work 7 to 10% more hours and we are 8% less productive than our OECD average. Construction can be a productive industry. It can be a low carbon, low waste sector, and for us to really achieve that, we're going to have to embrace new ways of constructing.
So construction, compared to other industry sectors, has quite a low productivity and also low research and development intensity. So this gives New Zealand businesses an opportunity to create solutions through R&D and innovation.
Look, there are barriers to innovation, such as cost, scaling, funding, risk aversion, and we're also a sector that's notoriously resistant to change. The case study today is about QOROX. This is an organisation that's going through their innovation journey, and we want businesses and construction leaders to learn from their successes and the challenges that they face to really adopt innovation and put it into practice in the New Zealand construction landscape.
Repeating the same answer to the problem, expecting different results, is a definition of madness. And I felt that this is what literally the construction industry is doing. It's just we keep on repeating the same answer to low productivity, high wastage, bad impact on the environment, and we're continuously short on people. So the technology was developed in the Netherlands by a company called Sevi, and they also developed the material over there. The more I researched, the more I believe that this is the future of the construction industry. I always had in mind that we need to make the material as locally sourced as much as possible. So we worked with Callaghan Innovations, and Callaghan gave us a grant to develop a New Zealand mix. So the material that we use is mixed in New Zealand.
He had a clear and a bold vision to provide technology solutions in housing that is scalable, that is affordable, environmentally sustainable, but can also be provided at speed.
We can even do it off-site in a shelter, or we can do it in place. So it gives us a lot more advantages, and the biggest thing is that with a crew of 2 people, you can print around 30 to 40 houses a year. You still need a guy to put the slab down, you still need a guy to put the roof on, you still have somebody to put the kitchen in. But this is one aspect of it.
So we were facing 2 main challenges with our project at the time. One was around time frame and one was around budget. Then he printed off 10 for us within a week, I think. It was amazing. And we got them delivered to site like the week after. So it was a pretty great process for us. Concrete not being the most sustainable product, he came up with this great idea to, rather than make the concrete stores like solid concrete, we actually made them hollow and filled them with shredded car tyres. And the community reacted really well to it, actually. They were really excited that Auckland Council was trying something new.
And hopefully in the future we'll be able to develop more sustainable material that will be integrating either waste material in it, or maybe geopolymers or hempcrete. We don't know what the future will have for us. All of the trial and tested methods are failing. Our supply chain is broken, we cannot get construction material, and if you have a good business model and you have a good technology, this will be the time to go for it.
This is exciting. This is the exciting opportunity for our sector, and the Accord is getting behind innovation. We want to break the low productivity cycle and create an innovation ecosystem where new ideas are constantly tried, developed and tested. So we build the knowledge base to share across the industry the lessons, the challenges and the successes. And this is how we're going to create a more productive construction industry for New Zealand.